This student's about done with this project, so let's check it out. We're over here in PIXILART, and we've got an animated project. There are a few animation frames here, and the very first thing we'll do is preview it. It makes a pretty seamless transition between the end of the animation and the beginning. Well, let's see, maybe lags a little bit on one frame. So we'll do a couple of things to fix things up here. I'm looking at all of the timing on these cells, and I see that most of them are 300 milliseconds, which is a little less than half a second. Frame 9 is 1,000 milliseconds, so there's a place where we could go change that. Let's go change that to, we'll try the same thing as the rest of them. You can preview that, and it seems to flow a little smoother. Say you want everything to move a little faster or a little slower, you can go click on frame speed and choose something else. Let's make it go a little bit. You want it slower or faster?
Faster would be fine.
A little faster, we'll go 250 milliseconds, which is a quarter of a second for every frame. That looks pretty good. We'll say that works. We're at the point where we're ready to export this, to turn it in. So we're going up to File and down to Export and Download, the same way you exported your drawing, except it gives you the option right now to export or download a .gif. Yeah. If we export it at 64 by 64, it's going to be hard to view on a computer screen because it'll be tiny. It'd be great for the Pixu 64. So if you're going to need to see this in your website, I would suggest bumping this up to over 900. 960 by 960 is probably fine. This is 15 times magnified. So here I go. Download the .gif. Just for fun, we'll download a sprite sheet too to see what that looks like. And then we'll go look at those. Okay, going into the downloads. And here's the GIF file. We can open it up on your computer with this program called InFranView 64-bit. And here we're watching it. Pretty cool. Let's see what happens when we go look at the sprite sheet. Never tried this. We could probably open it up with Paint, or let's check it out in this one too. So this is pretty cool. This is representation of all of the frames that were in that animation, and you can see them all kind of stacked together right here. Hope that works for you, helps you finish up your project. Thanks for watching.